In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Gmail account settings out-of-date issue. This common problem can cause your email client to stop syncing with Gmail, leading to missed messages and a lot of frustration. But don't worry, I'll take you through a simple process to get everything back on track. First, it's essential to understand why this issue might be occurring. In many instances, changes in your Google account password or general security settings can disrupt synchronization with email applications. Sometimes even changes in your device security software settings might trigger this problem. So the first step is to confirm that your Google account password is updated and correct. Head over to your Google account settings and verify this. If you've recently changed your password, make sure you have updated it across all devices and applications that access your email. Next, you'll want to check your security settings to ensure everything aligns appropriately. Log into your Google account and navigate to the security section. Here, you'll find various options that govern how your account interacts with devices and applications. Under Signing into Google, you might need to verify that two-step verification, if enabled, is set up correctly across all your devices. Remember, if two-step verification is on, each device where you access your Gmail will need to be authenticated with the secondary security method you set up. After securing these settings, the next step is to check the settings of the email client you are using. Open your email client, head over to the account settings, and ensure that the incoming and outgoing server settings match those required by Gmail. Typically, you'll want to confirm that the IMAP server settings are as follows. The incoming mail server should be set to imap.gmail.com, and for outgoing mail, smtp.gmail.com. Both should be set to use SSL, so don't forget to verify this within your advanced settings. If you continue experiencing issues after verifying these settings, another helpful step is to clear your app cache and stored data. Over time, apps can accumulate data that might slow down their function or cause mismatches with external accounts such as Gmail. Depending on your device, navigate to your application settings, find the app linked to your email, and clear its cache and data. Lastly, try removing your Google account from your device entirely and then re-add it. On most devices, this can be done by navigating to the Accounts section within your settings. Select the Google account in question and hit the Remove button. Once removed, you'll need to add the account back, ensuring all settings reflect current passwords and security measures. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Gmail account settings out-of-date error and restore your email's full functionality. Remember, keeping your settings updated and routinely checking your account's security measures can prevent similar issues from cropping up in the future. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you find this guide helpful.